Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create the Diwali makeup look, and this is a look which I have came across, and this is the gorgeous blue purple eye look, and I have paired it with a gorgeous warm rose lip shade, and this is what I'm going to wear on the day of Diwali. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So guys, at first I'm going to do my face makeup, and for the foundation I'm using this Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade 04 BREVE, and it has got a gorgeous yellow undertone, so I'm just putting it in small strokes all over my face and blend this out with the help of the PAC 003 foundation blending brush, which just gives you the best highest coverage ever. So I'm just blending this out with the help of this brush. For the concealer, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and it's not a highlighting concealer for my skin tone, so it will just conceal my eyes, and the coverage is really good, and I'm really happy with this product. Now to set my overall face, I'm using this LAKME 925 Powder Plus Matte Powder Foundation in the shade Silky Golden, and with the help of a puff, I'm just patting this all over my face to set my concealer and foundation. So this is how my face is looking now, and it's now time to do my eye makeup, and for this I am using the JUVIA'S Masquerade palette, the mini version one, and at first I'm taking this magenta shade called Zobo and just putting it all over my crease as a transition shade and blend it very nicely. You just need to build up this color, so just apply it and blend it out. Now I'm taking this purple shimmery shade from the palette called MASQUERADE and putting it in the outer corner of my eyes and just blending this with the previous transition color. You just need to be a lot more tricky with this shade as it's a shimmery one, so you have to blend it very nicely. Taking this cool toned purple called Chi from the palette, I'm just putting it in the outer two-third of my eyes. I'm just concentrating this color in the outer two-third in order to create a gradient. Now I am taking this gorgeous blue shade called Dahlia from the palette and just spritzing a little bit of fixer. I'm just placing it at the center of my lid, leaving a little space near my tear duct region. Taking the shade Zola from the palette, which is a bright metallic light blue shade, I'm putting it in the inner one-third of my eyelid and just blending this out with the previous blue that I have put on the center of my lid. I am intensifying the purple in the outer corners of my eyes to make it a lot more gradient and just blending out the edges so that there will be no harsh lines. For the lower lash line, I'm taking the shade Zobo and just running it all over my lower lash line. Taking MASQUERADE, I am just putting it very close to my waterline. Taking the blue shade called Dahlia, I am just concentrating it in the inner two-third of my lower waterline. Taking this champagne shade from the palette called Giza, I am just highlighting my inner corners of the eyes and also highlighting my brow bone with it. This is the NYKAA EYEMBLACK Kajal in the shade Black, and I'm gonna just tightline the upper waterline of my eyes with the help of this Kajal. And for the lower waterline, I am using this NYKAA Glamorized Kajal in the shade Azure Charm, which looks stunning. It has got a lot of glitters in it, and can you see? It's looking so nice. For the liner, I'm using this LAKME EYECONIC felt tip liner pen, and I'm just drawing a regular winged eyeliner with it, so you have to draw very small strokes to create the wing. This is the PAC MINK eyelash number M76, so I'm gonna wear it. So lashes done, guys. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face, and for contouring, I am taking this LA Girl Blush Collection palette and taking this contouring shade. I'm putting it in the hollows of my cheekbones, on my forehead and on the jawline and other usual areas. Now I'm taking this first blush shade from the palette and putting it on the apples of my face. I have forgotten to contour my nose, hence I'm doing it right now, guys. For highlighting, I'm taking the highlighting shade from the palette and just highlighting my cheekbones with it, and it has got a lot of kickback. So I'm putting it on the highest points of my face, on my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin, and this is how my face is looking now. So for my lower lashes, I'm using this mascara. This is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara, and I'm coating my lower lashes with it. For the lips, I'm using this gorgeous shade from NYKAA Ultra Matte Lipsticks, and it's called Diana. This is a gorgeous rose warm shade, so it's one of my favorites from the collection. So I'm just putting it on my lips. And you can see it looks stunning, and it just pairs so well with this eye look. And I just love this lipstick, guys. Now to set my face, I'm using this Forest Essentials Rose Face Mist and just spritzing it all over my face. So this is a finished look. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you really liked this video, and this is how it turned out. And if you just like this look, then please hit on the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel, guys, and follow me on my social handles, and we'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Till then, take care. Bye. Happy Diwali. Love you all.